Ask Tom on Home Show.
Robert from Navasota, Texas has a question about a hot patio.
Well, it's off the garage. He uses it for cook-offs and stuff, right, Tom? And Robert writes, it is covered by the metal roof extended off my garage. And even though it's shaded by the roof, it gets hotter underneath than the outside temperatures. So Robert wants to know, is there a quick and easy application to put on the underside of a metal roof to help it a little? He says, I'm retired. I don't do ladders, but it's only 10 by 10, about 9 feet tall. He thinks he can handle that. What say you? Is there something he could put on the bottom of that?
The only thing you could use at all, and I don't know how much difference it's going to make, especially if you're using it for cook-offs and you have barbecue grills under there making heat, the heat from the sun coming down, the metal doesn't know what to do but just get hotter, and then it radiates into your body. But the thing that you're looking at is a radiant barrier paint. If you want to spray the underside of the metal, it'll stick, and it could help you some, but it's still going to be hot. I mean, you don't want to air condition it, and that's how you get things not to be hot.
So maybe maybe the better solution is to consider putting some fans underneath there. At least move the air.
Absolutely, and that's a great point. Is a body is cooled through evaporative cooling. So there's two ways to cool. You cool a structure with vertical air movement. You cool people with horizontal air movement. And, of course, fans and stuff over your skin make you feel cooler. You want to use some ceiling fans in there, too. That would be fine also. But you got to move the air over your skin. And if you do that, it certainly will help. Common sense tells me he's already got that going, okay, because he's so hot under there to begin with.
Right,
so
exactly.
I'm only assuming the fans are already running. It's still hot because you're cooking off under a metal roof in Navasota, Texas.
What could possibly happen? All right, you got a question? We'll help you out. Click on the Ask Tom button, send it to us. Pictures, anything you want, videos, whatever you think will help us understand better. Tom wants to help you, and that's why we do these videos every day, 7 days a week. You'll find them at HomeShowRadio.com. You find them at the Home Show Radio Facebook page. You'll find them at the Home Show Radio YouTube channel. And if you click the bell and subscribe over there, you'll get a little alert every time we answer another question.